For this task, I'm going to show you how to trim nails on a dog. We have our quick stop in case one nail bleeds. Okay, so I'm going to cut back a little bit. I can kind of see the pink, and then you can look at the bottom and look for a little black dot. Okay, and next you can see the black dot right there, the bullseye on her toes. I'm going to take just a little bit more off. Oh, that one's bleeding. We're going to put some quick stop on it. Yeah, you can't take much off of her nails, unfortunately. Okay, so we'll let that sit on there. And we're going to take off this one. And a little bit more. Okay. And this one. And you can see the little bullseye right in the middle. Okay, we're all done.